Hello guys, today our topic is e-commerce business. E-commerce business, which are businesses that transmit goods, services and funds over the internet. You can say that in virtually on internet, vary in size and scope from retail behemoth like Amazon to its craft sites. Online business is just one of many areas that have seen extensive growth over the past 5 years. What are the top four types of e-commerce businesses? We will discuss in this topic. There are four traditional types of e-commerce including B2C, business to consumer, B2B, business to business, C2B, consumer to business, and C2C, consumer to consumer. What are the three types of e-commerce? Some people say that there are three main types of e-commerce: business to business, websites such as Shopify; business to consumer, websites such as Amazon; and consumer to consumer, websites such as Etsy, OLX, and eBay. What are some examples of e-commerce businesses? There are many examples for e-commerce businesses. Some are some huge companies that are doing e-commerce businesses, and their types are mentioned in this video as Alibaba. Type of e-commerce: B2B, business to business, and C2C, consumer to consumer. Amazon. Type of e-commerce: B2C, business to consumer, and C2C, consumer to consumer. JD.com. C2C, consumer to consumer and business to consumer. eBay. Type of e-commerce: C2C and C2B. C2C, consumer to consumer and consumer to business. Now I will tell you how to create an e-commerce website in 7 easy steps, a step-by-step guide to creating your e-commerce website. This article is written by Lawrence Lofgren on online shopping is standard and common for most people categories. Getting into the e-commerce industry now is your chance to win a share of a growing profit. The sooner you start, the sooner you can establish your brand and get the words out. Every successful online business starts and ends with great website. If you haven't made one before, don't let that stop you. After all, your first sale isn't going to happen by itself. So let's discuss the step-by-step procedures. The easy parts of creating an e-commerce websites are the hard part of creating a business websites are: step 1, sign up with an e-commerce builder such as Shopify. Before you can have an e-commerce website, you will need an e-commerce account. Head over to Hostinger website and publish your website here. Maximize your discount. Create your WordPress website and install WordPress plus WooCommerce for your website theme. Connect your WordPress site with WooCommerce, install WooCommerce plugin, add your basic information, choose your e-commerce website theme, fine tune your e-commerce website settings, set up payment options, and here you go. Configure your tax rates, set up shipping options, personalize your e-commerce website. Step 5, add the products you want to sell. And step 6, add plugins. Your extra content boost conversation. Here you go, you have made your own website.